moving. Oh, he just. I'm not there. I'm not.
Oh.
Oh! That's it. Oh, he just covered the map. Oh, he covered the map with snow. That's it. That's it.
What's happening?
Yo, this is actually perfect.
Whoa! You see how big he is? Southwest. Southwest. There's a huge figure in the.
Yeah, of course we can see it. Sniper in a plane. Dude, what is he doing?
He's summoning monsters, dude. Yo.
Oh my gosh.
I'm staying in the plane. Are you guys
What is that? He's gonna cover the whole map in snow, and it's
Yo,
it's a snowstorm. Darude.
Look, yo, I can't see.
My screen's frozen.
He just
Same?
punched me in the face.
Did you just cover the whole map with snow? Yeah.
Yes, he did.
Oh, it did.
open
It
your
just
mini
changed.
map.
It just
Yeah, the
changed.
whole map is just like-
changing. Oh.
What's
Is that
happening?
it?
Is that it?
There's definitely zombies down there. Watch your step.
Watch it. Be careful, dude.
Should we land at the peak?
I'm gonna go Happy Hamilton. I'm gonna go Happy Hamilton. I wanna
Alright,
survive this.
I'm coming.
How is this guy floating in the air?
Okay, the ring has started. It's pulsing.
Whoa! Yo,
What's
this is
happening?
actually perfect. Are you? It's happening! I told
He
you.
is.
I told.
Southwest. Southwest. There's a huge figure in the.
Yeah, of course we can see it. Sniper in a plane. Dude, what is he doing?
He's summoning monsters, dude.
Yo. What is that whoosh?
I'm staying in the plane. Are you guys all staying in the
What is
plane?
that?
He's gonna cover the whole map in snow, and it's
Yo, dude.
Snowstorm. Darude.
Look, yo, I can't see.
My screen's frozen.
Same?
He just punched me in the face.
Did you just cover the whole map with snow?
Yeah.
Yes, he did.
Oh,
Oh,
it did.
open
It
your
just
mini
changed.
map.
It just changed.
Yeah,
the whole map is
just like-
changing. Oh.
I heard like a screech.
Yo, lightning.
Oh,
It's happening.
What's that? What's that?
There was a lightning
They're
strike east.
spawning. That's them spawning for sure. They're here.
Zombies?
The White Walkers.
Oh, dude, this enemy is so gross.
Got it right in front of me.
Yeah, we get it, folks. We're on the way. Wow, I felt like vertigo from that. Wow.
Watch this. Hitting the shot. Hitting the next one, maybe. Cloak's fighting a guy.
One deep, one shot.
Getting y'all double bang here.
Hitting that shot. I hitting the next one, maybe, dude. What's up? What's up?
I got you!
That's 3 today. That's literally 3 today, dude.
Get up and grab!
What's
Right here,
happening, dude?
Another one, Ben, another one, another one!
Ah!
Yes! One more in the air, Ben!
Wait, what is going on?
I don't know, dude.
Wait, did you type onesie? Wait, you typed the onesie on me?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh my god, Ben! There's another one, there's another one.
Yeah, balloons. One. Wait. No, the guy with the balloons absolutely won.
Got him.
Hit him once. Nice.
Dr. Lupo!
Bro, what's happening? Am I hacking? I think I'm hacking. I actually think I'm hacking, dude. I'm sorry if you guys get banned. My bad.
Wow.
Yo, I'm making the plane really mad at me.
I've literally never hit that many shots like that in a row. Like that's three
Oh my
today.
God, Chick-fil-A.
Come here, boy!
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
I knew it! I freaking knew it! Arriba! Fuck you! You're doodoo! Oh my god! This game doodoo! I freaking knew it. That's why I hesitated a little bit, dog. I freaking knew. This game's doomed. Dude.
Oh god.
Just everybody fucking just oh my god, I got 5. It's the most impossible 5 ever.
You kidding me, bro? Oh, I might be in trouble here. Oh my god, bro. I'm dumpstering kids right now, bro. Oh no, they didn't just get done like that.
Whoa! Okay. Yo, fuck off with that. Fuck off. That is the most OP thing I've ever seen in my life. Nah. Yo, fuck off with that. What the hell? That is the most broken shit I've ever seen in my life.
Goodness gracious, glory be. I'ma eat the whole booty. Oh shit, he's over there. Oh, there he is.
Come on, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a dead boy, mommy. I did it. I finally did it, mom. Oh, yeah, I did it. If I see one more person spam double pump, I'ma eat your mom. And I ain't talking about a butt, I'm just saying eat her. Just straight up eat her. You thought hooligans.
You're there, man. I didn't know you were there. Oh, I was so free. I didn't know he was there. That's such a free win, man. I panicked. I thought they were all trying to W key me. As soon as I knew that they were taking their time.